Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming fundamentals so fixes work. Update Discord and restart it. This often resolves delayed push delivery. Once done, open your device settings and allow notifications for Discord, making sure Do Not Disturb is off. Then clear the app cache or force stop the app and relaunch to refresh background processes. These steps reset stalled notification tokens and remove corrupt temporary files, so subsequent changes actually take effect and you won't be chasing phantom problems. Next, focus inside Discord itself to make sure notifications are permitted where you expect them. Go through server settings and open each channel's notification overrides. Enable mobile push for mentions, direct messages, or all messages depending on need. Once you adjust a channel, make sure role mutes or global suppressions like suppressing at everyone aren't blocking alerts. Also set your mobile push behavior in user settings so the app can send background pushes. These edits correct internal for final fixes, ensure Discord can run in the background and isn't restricted by battery optimizers. Allow auto start and unrestricted data so push services stay connected. If delays persist, reinstall the app and sign out, then back in to regenerate push tokens. Once done, test by sending a DM from another account. If notifications are still late, log out of other devices to avoid token conflicts. This forces a fresh push registration and usually resolves timing issues. Remember, change one thing at a time when troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.